Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification. Which solution should you consider implementing to ensure equal distribution of application traffic for your Google Cloud Platform hosted application, which is currently experiencing uneven traffic distribution and causing performance issues in some instances? A. Distribute the traffic evenly by utilizing Cloud CDN. B. Use Cloud VPN to evenly distribute the traffic. C. Distribute the traffic evenly by using a cloud load balancer. D. Distribute the traffic evenly by utilizing VPC peering. Correct answer: C. Distribute the traffic evenly by using a cloud load balancer. Explanation: using Cloud Load Balancer to distribute the traffic evenly is the recommended approach. Google Cloud Load Balancing allows for regionally or globally distributing traffic, ensuring an even workload distribution across instances and preventing overload on any single instance. Using Cloud VPN to distribute the traffic evenly is not the correct choice. Cloud VPN is designed for securely connecting an on-premises network to Google's network and does not facilitate traffic distribution among instances. Using Cloud CDN to distribute the traffic evenly is also incorrect. Cloud CDN accelerates content delivery to users by catching it in Google's edge locations, but it does not provide traffic distribution across multiple instances. Similarly, using VPC peering to distribute the traffic evenly is not the correct approach. VPC peering allows for connecting two VPCs as if they were on the same network, but does not offer traffic distribution among instances. Keywords: equal distribution of application traffic. The goal of the solution is to evenly distribute traffic across instances to prevent performance issues. Uneven traffic distribution describes the current problem where some instances are receiving more traffic than others. Causing performance issues indicates that the uneven traffic distribution is negatively impacting the performance of the application. Subscribe and follow us.